Hey everybody, it's Tim with Team Crabtree Homes. Today I want to talk to you about, will higher mortgage rates affect your ability to purchase? Recently, people have been asking if mortgage interest rates will be going up, and that's a great question. And it's good to be concerned about it if you're considering buying a home in the near future. There's no way to definitively answer this, let alone how much the rates will go up. They go up and down constantly. If they go up or down a little bit, that really won't affect you all that much. But deep down, the concern is, of course, whether the rates will go up a lot, enough to impact how much home you can afford or to even be able to qualify for a loan at all. The one thing we can say for sure is that mortgage rates have been historically low for quite some time now, literally for years and years. At some point, they will probably go up a good amount. One could even argue that they need to go up, but let's not get into that debate. So let's get into what the core fears are when people are asking about this. If rates go up, a buyer could pay more for the same house they could have gotten for less per month if they had bought before the interest rates went up, or not be able to afford the same homes on the market they could have afforded before the rates went up, or possibly not even qualify to buy a house at all depending on their financial situation. So what is an agent to advise? To say that you should buy a home now or you will miss out due to interest rates rising can lead to fear-based decision making. And that isn't something a good real estate agent makes a habit of doing with their clients, or at least shouldn't. Besides, the interest rates may not go up enough to affect you, if any, or affect you any at all. So the best way to look at that is, if the thought of interest rates going up concerns you, buy now, or at least sooner rather than later. Not because of fear that rates may go up, but because you're dealing with a known quantity as opposed to the unknown. And because the mere fact that you are concerned speaks volumes about what you want to do deep down inside. This is all pretty general advice. If this has been concerning you, give us a call. We'd be happy to hear more about your situation and needs so that we can advise you more specifically. And if you're thinking about buying sooner rather than later, it might make sense to lock in an interest rate now. If you have a mortgage advisor, consider discussing this with him or her, or if you don't, just ask us, and we're glad to recommend a great mortgage lender. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, as usual, call, text, messages. We'd be more than happy to talk to you and see if we can help. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for listening.